time they teach you, it means you get very good, up-to-date information about what's actually going on in science.
What's special about biomedical science is that it is a diverse course. We cover everything from molecular biology through to gross human anatomy, which in other words means that we do human dissection here, which is quite unusual amongst biomedical science courses in the country.
So one of the special things about our department is the fact that we allow our students to take anatomy classes in level 2. There's not many universities in the UK that allow their science students to actually do whole body human anatomical dissection.
At Sheffield, we teach to the cutting edge of knowledge. When a student at Sheffield reaches their final year, they are being taught material that might have been published a day before or a week before. So if a student is aiming to go on in science, say to do a master's course or a PhD, they are at the limit of knowledge already. And that is a really good setup for a master's or a PhD.
So we've got a mix of developmental people, physiologists, pharmacologists, molecular biologists, geneticists, and that allows us to teach from the level of the gene out to the protein, the cell, the organ, and then how this impacts on the whole body. And again, this is something that's a little bit unusual compared to many of the biomedical science degree programs around the country. In biomedical science, we do summer vacation placements. Students can work in the summer between 6 and 8 weeks in a lab, getting valuable research experience to see if, do they want to do a PhD or not? Is research something they want to do? Our students can do a year working in industry between levels 2 and 3. Again, they get valuable experience of what it's like to be in the workplace.
University of Sheffield lecturers generally, but particularly so in biomedical science, are very dedicated to their job. They are all experts in their field and they all have long research experience, but also many of us have had significant teaching experience over the years. And I think it's the enthusiasm, the dedication and the experience that makes the teaching staff at Sheffield good.
And I actually chose to stay on because the research really excited me. In third year I got very into the processes of neurodegeneration and damage to the nervous system, and I actually wanted to specialise in hearing loss, and then a PhD came up with Dr. Tanya Whitfield, which allowed me to work with AstraZeneca to study hearing loss, so I was very excited by the opportunity.
I love biomed.
I like BMS.
I like BMS.
I like BMS.
I like BMS.
I like biomedical science at Sheffield.
I like biomedical science at Sheffield.
Because of the wide variety of career choices.
Because I like the theory, it's backed up by the practical labs.
Because the city is really nice.
Because it has excellent research facilities and we get a free lab coat.
Because I'm being taught by the leading researchers.
The researchers are very good in their field and they're also very helpful, and also the course sounds pretty cool.